Very often, vegans argue for something which doesn't necessarily lead to veganism and waste everybody's time when they could have went straight to the point. The best example of this is factory farming. Vegans would show graphic footage of animal slaughter to people. They would tell you stories that animals in slaughterhouses are maimed without anesthesia and are living in terrible conditions. And I could be like, yeah, factory farming is terrible. That is why I take good care of my animals and make sure I kill them as painlessly as possible. And vegans would be like,
No, 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 no.
eventually, vegans need to argue that we shouldn't kill animals for food or commodity, even if we provide them a good life and kill them painlessly. So it begs the question, why waste time with factory farming when it's not the root of the problem? Honorable mentions of vegan misfire argumentation are health and environmental arguments. None of that necessarily leads to the ideology we call veganism. If vegans want people to adopt veganism, then they should stop wasting everybody's time with filler arguments and should instead provide the actual arguments for veganism, which they have to do at some point anyway.